It's a 2018 Buick Encore. This perfectly sized and nimble Encore is perfectly suited for your next adventure. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, leather steering wheel, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, Wi-Fi hotspot, voice activation, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and automatic transmission. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.